we would like to illustrate the how filter rule can be applied to the blotter package. So here we have a very simple filter rule. Filter rule saying that if the price go up high enough, then you have buy signal. If you have dropped low enough, you have a sell signal. So here we will buy 1,000 unit when there's a buy signal and sell if there's a 1,000 unit with a sell signal. Otherwise, you keep the same portfolio. So here we have the data is from 2009, 2012 to make it a little bit longer. Symbol, I just use Microsoft. Can use more. Just the currency. You get the symbol there, and then we set that to symbol and set 1 million. So this is what we have. As before, just change from Apple, IBM just to Microsoft only. And go back to slide. And next is we define a new variable, new environment plotter, because if you don't do it when you remove everything, then it'll be gone. So, and then also remove anything inside there. Okay. And then you initiate the portfolio filter, an account called filter with initial equity of $1 million. Let's do it here. Okay. Remove everything. So we have everything in, but we don't have anything, so that's why this doesn't has a warning, but doesn't really matter. Now, next is we generate our indicator. So the price is based on closing price, and then the indicator is the today's price over yesterday one and -1. This indicator use delta 3%. So when price go by more than 3%, then you buy. Drop more than 3%, you have a sell signal. The first one you don't have any signal, then A, or 0 if you want. From day 2 until the end, if the price go up more than delta, you have 1. Less than delta, -1, and then you have 0. And I put back the signal with the closing price, then we have the same timestamp. So this is have here. Okay, actually, I can use price instead of this one. Okay, looks more natural. So just what we have. Okay, then what we see is a bunch of signal with a timestamp. Okay, and what we need now is to make some trading signal. Okay. Here with the trading signal with lag. Okay. Of the before, and because trade we want the NA, the first one is NA because we lag, so that's why we want to fill the we want to replace NA by 0. Okay, because NA we want it to don't do anything, so that's why what we have lag NA field here. So that's how it works. So suppose I have this, then sorry, you have this. Run this, look at the trade. Okay, there's a 2 NA here because the first day not available and second day is only trade you based on only the second day you have the data, right? So that's why you don't trade here, don't trade the next day. But this NA you don't want any trade here, so that's why you want to NA field. So that's you run this. Okay, and then look at the trade again. You have 0, 0. The first 2 entries are now 0. Okay, so that's what NA dot field is doing. So the next, go back to slide, is to do it from the first, the beginning to an end. What you do is when the trade, okay, remember the trade is timestamp here, so that's why it's as numeric. The trade is equal to 1. That's a trade signal buy. What you do is to add a transaction, the portfolio filter, symbol Microsoft, and the time is the time where this happened. So that's why we need the timestamp here. And the quantity is 1,000, and at this price, closing price, there's no transaction fee. The -1, then again you add the transaction to the portfolio filter Microsoft. The time is the price there, negative quantity. So the difference is -1, 1, and this negative quantity. And when equal to 0, we don't do anything. So that's why you don't need to do that thing. So let's apply it to the data. Okay, to go to R. Here we have this. Okay, you run it. then you will tell, you look it back, and you will see, oh, this is what you're doing, each step, what you're doing. So automatically it's very fast, right? It tell you when you buy or sell. Okay, it's rather fast. It doesn't take a long time. And now once you apply the rule, then you want to update your portfolio, account, and equity. Okay, then we are, after this, we are ready to plot. Okay, after this, now we are ready to go to the last one. We plot and see how it looks like, right? And let's see. Let's plot this. And you can see it's a pretty interesting one, right? This price go up, down, and you can see even maybe bigger. Okay, this is how the portfolio change, right? You can buy and sell, right? Here, don't hold anything, and you keep buying and on, right? When there's a yellow, there's changes in the holding, right? There's a trade when there's a yellow line, and there's a cumulative profit and loss. Looks like earning some money, but at the end, it's go back to normal. Okay, and drawdown actually lose quite a lot at the end. Okay, so sometime you may want to show the trade statistic, right? So let's do what we do last time. Have the filter. Look at Microsoft. Look at the trade statistics. Out here, so we have 10 transactions here. Okay, how many buy or sell? Look at equity. So this is how each trade is making, how many loss they're making, so you can see more clear how things look like. Okay, thank you for listening. I think you master how to do the blotter package. You can make it more complicated. This is simple filter rule, very simple, but you can make it more interesting. You can make the trade quantity based on more indicator, right? This one is a fixed number, but you can make it more fun. And when you sell, you have also only a fixed quantity. You can make it more fun. But anyway, that's the end. Thank you for listening.